so much joy in me because of the program. Praise God. If not God, it's God, it's God, it's God. The unity I saw, it was more than beyond. Praise the Lord. The unity was so great. Pastor called me the first time. He said, I have assignment for you. I said, Pastor, I know they do. Pastor, I know they do. I won't come like every other person. Anytime he called me, I go grumble, rotolong. But at the same time, I was having joy in this. If not God, who even know you when they want to send you a message? Many don't die. When it concern you, people when they're relevant, they send you a message now, you grumble. Praise the Lord. It was God. And my grandmother would say, praise the Lord. When you have headache, all your body, you will feel it. So God so bless our pastors that made this program successful. So it was from the head that the blessing came from. Praise the Lord. That was the unity we have. So I really want to appreciate God.